Welcome, in front of me is an LG V50 and today I'll show you how to record a screen on this device. And to get started, what you want to do is pull down the notification panel, expand it, and then find the screen recording toggle, which for me is right over here. Simply tap on it. Let's do that don't show again and press start. It also asks for permission to camera, microphone, and storage because that's all the things that it can use. So camera for because you can turn on the front camera to record. Microphone obviously to record the whatever you say, and storage so it has somewhere to save the video. From here, let's tap on allow, and it will start the countdown. And after 3 seconds, it will automatically record as it is right now. So whatever you will do right now is being recorded, and once you're finished with it, just tap on the square right over here to stop it, and this will save the recording to your, I believe, photo gallery. Yep, there it is. So I'm gonna mute it, and there we go, that's the recording. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.